On top of this dragon liver we're going to be doing, we're installing a banner as well. And this is actually a brand new banner. It's called Custom Shapes Banner. It's basically the two-color custom text banner that I do. You'll have the backing banner text, but this one also will be putting some sakura blossoms, which I have as an option for this banner, and just placing those all about. So basically you'll need an extra hand with this, and we're about to install the backing banner. So starting off with this, basically in here all we have is just water.
And that's what I call high quality H2O.
Spray this on. Spraying along the way so that it doesn't stick to itself, and if it does, then you basically just pull it apart nice and easy and you don't ruin your banner. Basically with two hands you'll just place the banner like that. Start from the middle and then squeegee your way out. You'll squeegee out all the water. I'm currently running my fingernail along the trim of the windshield so I know where to cut the line. Basically you will trim this after you have it perfectly installed. Your blade will stick right in there and you just follow it on down. I got the blade in maybe like a millimeter or two, just enough so you're not cutting the molding. Glass isn't going to cut, it's not going to scratch glass. As you can see, we now have the flower petals all arranged, neatly spaced out, I mean, however you want. So next up will be the text. Now for this, you actually can do it with one person if you really want to, but you have to, so why not? And let's see, so we'll be doing a hinged method, same as probably you saw on like the one color die cut text banner, where basically we just put a piece of tape across the text. We'll do one side at a time and go ahead and cut down the backing paper, lay one side down, lay the other side down. This is a black oil slick text banner. All of my chrome materials I recommend not using any water for, which could get dangerous. If you mess up, there's no forgiveness with that. It's one shot go. But if you do water, it doesn't want to stay. So kind of have to do it dry. So with backing paper on, you can basically arrange it, level it however you need to. So one trick basically is you'll take another small piece of tape, and you put it at the small corner of the banner so it doesn't go back and forth. You know, it's perfectly level right now, perfectly straight. Slowly peel back the paper backing, or else the text will come along with it, and you don't want that. That could crease it, that could ruin it very easily. So that almost came up. I went ahead, applied a little pressure, stuck it back down to the transfer tape. That's what that's there for, holding everything in place. Make sure you pull up on the paper backing so you don't cut your backing banner. Slowly just, yep, tape came up, that's cool. Okay, put that back down. Actually, I'm gonna put a little more there because I don't want that center come back, because that's how you're gonna have a crooked banner. That should do. One thing that I didn't mention about these banners is you should clean your windshield. However, don't use Rain-X. We'll put that in big red letters at this point. Don't use Rain-X when cleaning off your windows here. Probably add that in the beginning to be fair. This is a black oil slick text. It won't be like, it won't pop as some other colors will, but the contrast between the matte black backing and the black oil slick, yeah. Luckily with this text here, it's all very skinny outline version. And if you want an outline version of text to your banner, basically just put it in the order notes. I don't have an option for it. I don't have a lot of requests for it, but I do it with my own spinning whoosh banners because I like the look. Sometimes these banners, the cut pressure could be a little too high, and when you're pulling off the banner, it'll want to take the paper along with it. If it's really bad, like if you can't press it down and it won't come up, let us know. We'll make you another one. Make sure that every piece of the vinyl has been applied down with a squeegee or credit card. Like I said before, like this was just a black oil slick vinyl. I didn't use any water with this, but if you use have white vinyl, red vinyl, something like that, you can use a little bit of water. It's going to peel this back basically on itself. You don't want to pull up like this. It could pull up the vinyl just back on itself. get a close-up of this. So again, matte black backing, black oil slick text. Even just gloss black over top of this is still like that contrast between the two materials, slick. If you have any questions about the sizing of your banner for your vehicle, let me know. I mean, you could measure it yourself. You'll just go about 5 or 7 inches down or so, so about right here. Measure directly across, and that'll tell you how long your banner needs to be. But some of them require the 10-inch tall one, like the 370Z, or else your banner will basically go like this, and you'll have a big blank space not covered by the banner. I see it all too often. It's terrible. Usually if I see a vehicle and I know the sizing for it, I'll just include it. That'll do for basically the second video I've done here of a windshield backing banner. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.